Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Want to know what's trending before everyone else? So Pinterest is a discovery platform and finding viral content is about understanding what people are searching for and saving. So in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to find viral pins on Pinterest, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you can easily go ahead and use the search bar. Pinterest search bar is your first tool. Type a keyword and watch the autocomplete suggestion. These are actual user searches. So just tap on it, for example, then look for ideas. For example, let's go through anime here. Okay, anime wallpaper. Okay, as you see now, there is Madara, Itachi, Nagi as well from Blue Lock. There is multiple wallpapers you can use on your phone. Okay, for example, you like this one, you're gonna go all the way. Okay, I think this one is there I made whatsoever. Tap on this three dots and tap on download image from here. Okay, they can tell you image downloaded, you can save or share, whatever you like, whatsoever. Okay, and also make sure to check the Pinterest Predicts. Since Pinterest Predicts is a free annual report that shows what your audience will search for 4 months in advance. It's a built-in, like, I won't say platform, but it's kind of like a built-in server where they are hiding every search of the people that they may interest or that they may be interested in your post. I'm saying so because I see that a lot of people are using Pinterest to basically show their products, to sell some things. It's not just a visual platform anymore. Like people used to only take some wallpapers from here, share pictures and all of this, but for now it's much more than this. So anyway, thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.